Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, continuing on with a little short series of videos. Just got a couple of jobs in the interior to do now, so while I had ordered some small parts, I just ordered a bunch of little things that would fit into a box, so make the shipping from the UK worth my while. So I'll show you what's going on. See, alright, because the last time I done the interior video was the rear tailgate, and the black interior was hard to see, but as you can see, I'm missing all the plastic cover that's on the third row seat lever. It kind of annoys me, this little things, but so I'm just going to throw the new cover on there and I'll show you how it's done. Started. Hopefully you can see all right. These are the part numbers you'll need for this job. So it comes in two halves. Or just lift this up, get that out of the way. So these do have a left hand and a right hand side component. Obviously this is on the right hand side, so the left hand side does have different part numbers. And this, you got the bottom piece and the top half. Bottom piece just slides into place like so. I don't know how clearly you can see this little hook. So this top half should go in first.
Dad?
Yeah?
Can I help you for pocket money?
Can you help me for pocket money?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you know Elvin? He was babysitting, and guess what?
What?
Do you know how much money he got?
How much?
5 cents. Just 5 cents.
It's just 5 cents. Must have been a quick pocket money.
What?
Must have been quick pocket money, huh?
He only did it like for 1 hour.
1 hour, and he only earned 5 cents.
Yeah.
Wow. Right.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put this clip in here. Put this cover on.
What?
And it's not clipping in like I remember it did before.
What's your phone meant to video it? How does it video it when it's all the way over there?
It's this one doing it.
That's cool, Dad. Are you going to put it on YouTube?
Yep.
I want to have a try of that.
Of what?
Of that.
Of what? What's of that?
That.
You need to be more specific.
Putting the cover on. Because I'm really strong.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it, I think. So that's it. These are really tight to push together. So you need to use quite a bit of force. And that's it. Looks heaps better than what it did before. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.